Changing your furnace filter is essential for a warm, efficient home. Here's a quick guide to doing it right, brought to you by Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning. For any HVAC concerns, call us at 630-788-4688. Your filter is your home's lungs, trapping dust and allergens. Keeping it clean means better air quality and efficiency, saving up to 15% on energy costs. Plus, it prevents costly repairs by protecting your furnace from wear and tear. Typically, change your filter every 1 to 3 months. But pets, smoking, allergies, and construction may require more frequent changes. When in doubt, give Maximum a ring at 630-788-4688. First, turn off your furnace. Locate and remove the old filter, noting the airflow direction. Insert the new one, ensuring it's snug and secure. Turn your furnace back on, and don't forget to mark the installation date on the new filter. Can't find the filter or it won't fit? Check the owner's manual or the measurements again. Strange noises post-change? Ensure everything's properly closed and the filter's correctly inserted. Still need help? Maximum's got your back at 630-788-4688. Keep spare filters on hand and consider reminders for changes. For thorough care, Maximum's maintenance program offers biannual service and more. A simple filter change can make a huge difference. For assistance or to join our maintenance program, give us a call, Maximum Heating and Air Conditioning, at 630-788-4688. We've been keeping Aurora cozy since 2001.